Significant pay increases have been approved for a string of semi-state bosses, with one getting an increase of over 50%, according to a new report by Irish Independent industry correspondent Anne-Marie Walsh. The RTE board has also applied for its Director General, Kevin Bakhurst, to get an increase on his €250,000 salary, which could see his salary increase by as much as €50,000, but a final decision has yet to be made on this. If approved, the move would have a knock-on impact for the salary cap Mr Bakhurst placed on the national broadcaster's top talent. Newly rubber-stamped salaries have been approved for the CEOs of other commercial semi-state bodies, including Dublin Bus, CIE, Uisce Éireann and the Irish National Stud. The Public Expenditure and Transport Ministers sanctioned a pay hike for Billy Hann, CEO of Dublin Bus, who was appointed in 2022 last month. Mr Hann's pay was increased by €60,000 to €260,000 a year in December. CIE CEO Stephen Kent, who was appointed on Monday following a recruitment campaign, will earn €225,000 a year, compared with the previous CEO's salary of €190,000. Ministerial approval has also been given to push up the Irish National Stud CEO Cathal Beale's base salary from €110,569 to €170,000, a 53.7% increase. The CEO of Uisce Éireann is also set for revised pay and terms and conditions, including allowances for expenses and pension payments. A department spokesperson said the new terms were issued on December 23rd. The raft of pay rises comes after a major review last year gave the green light for increased pay for the top roles in commercial semi-state organisations. This Senior Post Remuneration Committee review effectively abolished a €250,000 pay cap on CEO appointments rolled out during the financial crisis. The review found pay arrangements for the CEOs were not optimal and should be revised to bolster recruitment and retention. Proposed new wage bands for the CEOs have not been published. A Department of Public Expenditure spokesperson said they are commercially sensitive. For more on this story, read the Irish Independent.